Alright, today we're doing a next business day Xbox Series X HDMI port replacement. As you guys can see, I've already got the bad port removed, got the new port prep, got the board prep. Let's get it on. Alright, it may get a little bit loud. You may want to turn down your audio. 3, 2, 1. So someone is absolutely blowing me up and I cannot answer it and it's driving me nuts. People need to have better etiquette and understand how phones work. If someone doesn't answer, especially if it's a business, you need to leave a message and they will call you back. If they're not answering, obviously they're busy. Now, unfortunately, since whoever that was blowing me up, I have no idea. Does the capacitor go there? Did it come off? I don't know. I'm too busy ignoring 10 and 12 calls, but let's move forward with testing. Of course the dogs are going to munch right now. Oh, man. All right. Come on. Yay. We're back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Memberships available, store now open. Refurb units on the way.